Oh my God, what happened? I beat the hell out of him. He's not moving. Why did you do it? I didn't. You literally just said... Did I? Oh, I take it back. Actually, all the evidence points to... Beep. He beat himself up. Yeah, you see, he was trying to punch me, and it actually just accidentally landed on his own face. And if you just give me some time, I'll prove it. Oh, I can't believe I'm beating myself up again. No one else did this. I mean, listen to this. Oh, I can't believe I'm beating myself up again. No one else did this. That's you. No, it's not. Why would you make a fake recording if you're telling the truth? Okay, I've seen enough. It was the other guy. But it was the other guy.